morning, guys. So I'm ready. I actually have my suit, I have my stuff. I'm super tired because it's 6:30 in the morning. I have to head over to the event location now, getting ready. And I have to go on stage at, I think at 10. At 8 o'clock we have like a walkthrough and then we're ready to go. 27 hours total of training. That will be a sick weekend. Let's do this. Okay, let's check out first where the taxis are. I think they're here outside somewhere on the guy said literally they're on the right side. Go out on the right side. There they are. I see him. Okay, see you in the hall. Okay guys, let me show you the stage. This is how it looks like from above. I don't know if you can see a lot, but that's the audience. I mean, the light is quite bright, right? So here we have the camera guys. They're just adjusting the cameras, doing the white balance. And DJ is getting ready. And then over there in the back, you have the FOB. So all the guys making sure that all the technical part is running great. So yeah, I have to get ready for sound check, and of course I have to change my stuff because in 2 hours we are ready to go. Okay, let me introduce you to one of my very close friends. I just found him over here. Actually, like, look at those two good-looking guys over here. So
three good-looking guys.
Three good-looking guys. Where's the third one? I have no idea. So these guys are actually network marketing pros as well. He's from Portugal, but lives in Germany. He's more German than Portuguese, actually.
Yeah.
And he's like super German, like
Super German.
super German, the German, actually.
But my name is Manuel, so a touch from Spain.
Manuel. How you like the event?
Very good, very good.
I'm sorry to have to do it in English, but
No problem.
more people understand when I'm doing it in English. What about you?
It was awesome, and he was one of the best parts of the event. So yeah, he and Eric Worre, great guys.
Thank you very much, but I have more hair than Eric. So auch hier Kazakhstan in the house.
Nee, Russland.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna repeat that. Okay. Russia in the house, but she's also very German. You stand English? Good?
No.
Okay, no English, I'm very sorry. I would love to share her story, but her English is not that good. So, next one. So, here's another one. This guy is rocking Switzerland.
Yeah,
But he's originally from Italy.
yeah,
You can tell because of his haircut
yeah. And the beard,
and the beard.
la barba.
He looks like la barba.
La barba in italiano.
Pugno di corona.
Pugno di corona.
That's the corona fist, because right now we have the coronavirus going around the world. Everybody's panicking.
Yeah.
So don't hug, kiss, and cuddle people. Just give them the corona fist.
The
and
corona
afterwards,
fist, yeah.
wash your hands. Okay, very important. Yeah. How do you like the event?
The event? Awesome so far. Awesome so far. Like every event. I mean, we never missed an event from Eric Worre since 7 years, and it's crazy. It's crazy.
Listen to this guy.
Wisdom.
#1 in his country, in his company. Listen to him. Never miss a single event.
Never miss an event. Yeah.
There you got it. See you later, bro. Yeah. Belgium in the house as
Hello.
well. She came all the way, but she was actually scared that Corona is shutting down everything, right?
Right,
But it didn't.
No,
Yeah.
no. It
So-
was perfect here.
Yeah, we invented the Corona fist.
Yes.
Yeah, this is that one.
Corona fist? And then you stay away or you
No,
touch?
you touch and then you wash your hand.
Okay,
Okay,
perfect.
That's-
We'll do that.
that's the Corona fist. How you like the event?
Very good, very good.
It's your first event with Eric Worre?
No, I met you in Rimini 4
You
years
met me.
ago.
What? 4 years
You
ago.
don't remember me or what?
No, I remember you because we had a phone call, and now she's here. Yeah, awesome. Great to have you. We do have this very cool-looking group over here. Hi, guys.
Hey, hello.
I try to become famous on YouTube, so I was hoping when I record stuff that you share me on your profile, so I become famous. Is that okay?
Okay,
Awesome. I love it.
deal, brother.
Where are you guys from? Munich. Munich. All Germans. Nothing. I was hoping for something international, but you're from Germany. Okay, see you guys later. Hey, network marketing community, we're super excited. We're here live in Berlin, and we just had an amazing event called Get It All with the one and only godfather of network marketing, Eric Worre. But here's the best news. We're gonna repeat it next year, April 9th to April 11th, again in the capital city of Germany, Berlin, and you should be here because this event will help you out. And never forget, you can get it